Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this. Sorry for the similar theme over the last few videos, but Sony Center keeps surprising me, man. First they had this in stock one day earlier than what I expected. Now they called me and said we have a PS5 disc edition, do you want it? I was like, yeah. It was kind of pre-booked way before. It was not an official pre-book. It's just out of the relationship that I had. Thank you, Sony, for that. Especially the staff here in the service was amazing with regards to camera. They were always prompt and they responded very quickly. Even now, this was a big surprise. And the beautiful thing about surprise is it happens when you don't expect it, right? And that's a different kind of emotion. So yeah, excited to get it. But my concern is all day today would be gone in setting up, installing games, getting to know the controllers and all. Hello sir, Gupta ji, Sony Center का पूरा क्या बोल सकता हूँ head. Head. He's the one who helped me with the camera, Raju. Thank you sir.
Team members Kalyan, Raju, Zahir.
Hi. We have 6. One is for us because we already booked it. Almost 2 महीने से सार को तंग कर रहा है. But got it now. One मेरा एक है और 2 कस्टमर्स ऑलरेडी है. Thank you sir. Thank you. Woo! Excited. Now I have to pick up my niece because she's coming home. Maybe we'll play with my niece, wife and Managna. 3 people can't play because we have only 2 remotes, but still would be fun with the kids, right? Hi Chiku.
Hi.
Excited to play?
Yes.
Just brushed my teeth and stepped out. We'll go home, freshen up, set up the PS5, unbox it obviously, and then check out some games. That's the plan. We should probably rename the channel. Maybe something like iGuru Crazy Unboxer, because I've been unboxing off late quite a bit. Kept it in the sun for the last few hours just in case of COVID and all, just for safety. Not that we'll do any amazing stuff. It was tough not to unbox for the last 2 hours, seeing the box outside live there, but decided to do it now. It's been almost 2 hours, that's enough I guess. And we have some company for the unboxing. Let's go and do it. We'll see if she can lift the box. A strong girl, you're able to lift it. Jarta kalma deskuntav. Let's go. Okay. Right. Done. So now you can open the box, Chico.
Open.
We have some instructions, Chico. Yes. Next. So we have some paperwork here. Keep this aside. Cables. That's the game controller. One more cable. So this is a USB-C cable. There's a power cable. And we have the stand. We have the HDMI cable. Okay, next box. Yes, put this aside. And that's the game console. Yes, that's the box. See, so heavy, Chico. So you're telling me something about this remote? What do you know?
So you can go up like this and down like this and left like this and right like this.
Okay, and these buttons are?
this is move forward and backward and
Okay.
left and right.
Who taught you all these?
I only know by seeing videos.
Too
Yes.
smart, Chico. The wiring is done. Power cable, HDMI cable. Luckily with this TV I don't need to mount it directly to the TV. There's a small box here. That's where all the plugs go in. For reference, that's my iPhone. That's so big, man. Chalo, time for the first boot up. Chico, do the honors. Love that startup animation. Time to plug in the controller. This is a game that comes loaded with the PS5. It's the Astro Playroom. This is used to test the remote controller. You feel all the vibrations?
Yes, I feel that.
Yes, good job. But you missed few coins in the middle.
Jump and go up.
Jump and go up, then
It was so good. I liked it.
The best thing about PS5 is that remote, man. That DualSense controller and the haptic feedbacks are amazing. This is the game that maximizes the potential of it. The other games that are going to come up soon, but so far from the few games that we played, me and Manogna started playing It Takes Two, recommendation by Chai. We started playing for 30 minutes, ended up playing for almost 3 hours last night. It was so much addicting. It's a couples game. I will do a dedicated review once the game is done, but we are not avid gamers. We're just for fun and entertainment on the weekends, so don't expect Twitch streams or gaming reviews and all that. But I'm enjoying the game time. Me and Manogna are having the best of it. In case you want to know anything about PS5, let me know in the comment section. You thought I was done unboxing? No. We have the air tags that I ordered almost a month back. Finally we got them. Time to unbox it and see how they are. So these are the 4 engraved air tags, and this is how they look. You can't feel the engraving, but they look cool, right? Peace symbol, thumbs up, punch, and then victory. I've already paired this with the phone. Hide it somewhere where I can't find it. I'll try to use my phone to find it. Okay, you're ready for the game?
Yay!
I'm giving you 10 seconds. Hide it anywhere in the house. You can go upstairs also, only inside the house. We'll try to find it. You ready for the game?
Yes!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready!
You get that? Connected. Signal is weak. Try moving to a different location. Let's see if she hid it in this room. Nah. Nope. It's gone. Definitely not in this room. Is it in the kitchen? Ah, connected, but the signal's weak. Okay. This is the puja gadi. No, signals lost. Connected here. Signals weak. Chiku, where did you hide it? So tough.
I'm not telling you anything. If you don't find it here, that means it's all mine.
Yes, that's the idea. So, definitely not here.
Why don't we check upstairs?
We'll see. The phone is showing me. Yes, it's upstairs. 2.3 meters. I saw it. But look how accurate this is. And the phone vibrates too. Get the sound. You can pick it up now, Chiku.
Okay.
Isn't that super accurate? And Chiku, was it fun playing the game?
Yes, it was so fun.
In the house you can definitely find it, but outside the house it uses the thousands or millions of iPhones that are there, iPhones, iPads, Macs, and you can use the Find My network to find these in case they are lost. So nifty thing to have to tag or track your bags, wallets, anything that can be tracked, obviously. And it has some privacy features too. So a worthy addition. Engraving is probably not needed, but I just wanted to personalize it. That's the only purpose. Today is kind of a busy day. We have Formula 1, Monaco Grand Prix, Ferrari is on pole. I want them to win. And then we also have football, Premier League, last games of the season. That's going to be fun to watch. So jam-packed Sunday. Hope you're also having a great Sunday and a weekend. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night and take care. Bye-bye.